welcome to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I'm making for you ground beef tacos. They come out really good, really delicious, and they're going to be fried, so very crispy. I can't wait to start, but first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: cilantro, tomatoes, onion, chilies, ground beef, lettuce, tortillas, and vegetable oils. I can't wait to start, so let's get started. I am ready to start with my salsa. My tomatoes are washed and cleaned. I'm gonna cut them in fourths. I'm going to add them to my saucepan. We're only using 3 tomatoes. The reason that I cut them so they could cook faster. And I'm going to add my serrano chilies. I'm adding about 6, but you could add more or add less. I'm going to add 1 garlic clove. 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I'm going to add just a little bit of water, maybe 1 cup of water. And I'm going to take it to the stove and start cooking it. I am ready to start cooking my ground beef. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add my ground beef. We just want to pull it apart completely. We're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, what I like to do at this point, I like to add my onion so it cooks with the ground beef, and the ground beef gets all that delicious flavor of the onion. Okay, I'll be cooking it and I'll show you when it's almost ready. While my salsa and my ground beef are cooking, I am going to start with my lettuce. I'm going to cut my lettuce in very small pieces. And I have my cilantro here, and I'm going to cut it in small pieces for my salsa. When I'm done, I'll show you how this looks. My lettuce and cilantro is ready. Let's go to the stove and let's see how our ground beef is doing. Our tomatoes are doing. See you over there. In 5 more minutes, my ground beef will be ready. My tomatoes are ready. I'm going to turn the stove off for my tomatoes, and I'm going to start blending them. My ground beef is going to take about 5 more minutes before it's done. So I'll see you when I'm blending my tomatoes. Okay, I am ready to add my tomatoes and my chiles serranos. Remember, I put chicken bouillon. I'm not going to add any salt to my salsa. Be careful, I don't want you to get burned, okay? And there we're gonna start to blend. We're gonna reserve this on the side. And we're gonna put this here in this plate. I like it kind of chunky. Look how beautiful this looks. Let's taste it. Perfect. We don't need to add any salt. I'm gonna add my cilantro. And I'm just going to mix. My salsa is ready for my tacos. Let's see how our meat is doing, okay? So let's go over there. My comal is hot. I'm going to add my tortillas. And I'm just gonna warm them up when they are flexible. As soon as they are flexible, we don't want to cook them all the way. As soon as they are very flexible and they do not break, they are ready for me to start adding the ground beef. I am ready to start making my ground beef tacos. I have some Q-tips here that I'm going to use. And let me show you how I do it. I like to put the meat right in the center, and then I close them up. And I do this with the little Q-tips, just so that the meat doesn't come out. Okay, this is how I do it. I put the ground beef right in the center. And be generous with your ground beef. I'm gonna put my Q-tips here in the center. And look how this looks. This is so that the meat doesn't come out. Okay, I'm gonna continue fixing my tacos, and I'll see you when I'm done, when I'm ready to fry them. I am done with the couple. I have added the toothpicks to my tacos. Now we're gonna go to the stove and we're gonna start frying them. I'll see you over there, my friends. I have a plate with paper towels on the top, so when I take my tacos out of the oil, I could put them here so the napkins absorb the excessive oil. My oil is already hot. I'm gonna add my tacos. I'm not gonna flip them too many times. They're just gonna be flipped twice. When you add the toothpicks, the meat doesn't come out. I'll show you when I'm going to flip them. I am ready to flip them. One more minute, these tacos are going to be done. I am ready to take them out. I'm going to let them cool down a little bit before I take the toothpicks out. done with the ground beef tacos. Let's see how they came out, because this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. And with this salsa, delicious. Let me add a little bit of more salsa. I wish you were here to taste these tacos. Excuse me. They came out delicious. I hope you could prepare them at home for your family. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much, my friends, for watching my video from start to end. I really appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.